Hey everyone, welcome back to Strategically Small. I am so excited today. You know, at this channel, we're all about tiny living. So I'm introducing you to South Park Cottages, all right? So what exactly is South Park Cottages? So as you can see here, South Park Cottages is a micro home community and it's just launched, okay? This is a historic community because it'll be the first Black developed micro community in the US, the largest micro community in Georgia, the 7th largest micro community in the US, and the first modern cottage community in the US. This is making history on so many levels, and I could not be prouder. I think this is brilliant. So let's just take a quick look at their Instagram, and then we're going to head over to their website to get all the details on what is involved in this community. This shot here is just about their groundbreaking ceremony. The two men in the middle are the founders, and they're young brothers. This is exciting. As you can see, they have some video chats on their Instagram. So I would suggest heading over to the Instagram, follow them so you can listen to all the details and get all the updates firsthand. Here are some quick pictures of the projections for the micro homes. And of course, these will be tiny homes. They're going to be slightly bigger than your typical tiny home, and we'll get into the dimensions in just a little bit. But this will be a micro home community, which is why they're not specifically saying tiny home. They're saying micro home because the square footage is slightly bigger. But guys, this is super exciting. So here is the website. As soon as you come in, you can check out the models. So I'm just wanting to show you the layout here. Okay, so you can see there are 29 lots, and all of these are micro homes. So there's not a lot of lots for you to purchase. So if you want to get in, you got to get in early. So they have a limited time promotion of $4,500 builders incentive. Of course, you have to use their preferred lender. All right. Some of the amenities here, sustainable amenities. There's an edible vegetable garden, solar lighting, community walking path, play area, dog park. Community will offer upgrade packages for solar panels and integrated sustainable energy solutions powered by OHUB and Tesla. Nearby attractions is 15 minutes from downtown Atlanta, 5 minutes from Jackson, and then there's an OHUB package of $5,500 that has a whole bunch of other things that I will show you in just a little bit. But there's so many amenities. These are the lots here. As you can see, there's 29 in total. So there's a lot to check out on their website. I'm just giving you a quick overview here. All right. So let's take a look at the team. They have Movement Mortgage, which is a branch leader in the mortgage industry. Okay. Watson Realty, full service real estate brokerage. And then we have Kimbrough Law, and she's handling all of the legal aspects and the closing. Okay. So I love that their team also is all Black. I think this is fantastic. So the two owners are the males, and then they have a team here that is all Black. It is just beautiful to see. They have state-of-the-art designs, and I just wanted to point out they have a portion of their annual earnings invested to local nonprofits to help make a difference in the community. So I love that they're giving back as part of the whole project. This is incredible. South Park will be the first modern cottage community designed as a pocket community in the US. Guys, as you know, I live tiny, but the number of minorities that are living tiny globally is a very, very small percentage. So I'm so excited to see things like this. This is groundbreaking in the US. And although I'm no longer living in the US, I still think this is a fantastic opportunity. If you are in the US and you're interested in going tiny, check out this option. All right. So here are some beautiful pictures of the projections for the micro homes. I like the finishings here. Everything looks like it's going to be really nicely done. So yeah, I think that this is phenomenal on so many levels. I mean, I'm literally super excited about this. Everything looks high range. I just love all the pictures here. So if you're in Georgia, let me know if you know of this area. I'm not from Georgia, so I'm not exactly sure where this community will be located, but comment below if you're in Georgia and if this is an area that is something that you would consider living in. South Park Cottages, a College Park community, and this is just showing some more groundbreaking photos here. Now, as you know, tiny house living is still on the up and coming. It's sort of on the rise now due to the pandemic. But yes, the majority of people that are going tiny are not minorities. And it is just a beautiful thing to see when I see more minorities getting into this lifestyle, because it's all about financial freedom for me. All right. So let's look more about this OHub. All right. So it looks here like OHub is all about smart living, and they have intelligent design, smart home connection, affordable, efficient luxury, and then you can control everything in your home via your mobile app. Okay, so this is just very smart home living. I love things like this where you can just, lock your door, you can control your lights, all of that from your app. They have built-in dry erase walls. They have curated library of bestsellers, on-site co-working, beautiful things. Now, just to mention, this is going to be a gated private community, okay? There are 29 units total. Only 4 are unrestricted investor homes, okay? All the other homes, all the other 25 homes have to be owner occupied. So if you want to be an investor, there are only 4 available for you. There are HOA fees here that will be $200 a month, $5,000 down payment required in order to secure a unit. Groundbreaking has already occurred, as you can see here in the pictures. They already started pre-construction. First units to be completed by March 2022, with the final ones to be completed by the end of summer 2022. Pre-sales must be subscribed to South Park Cottages on their website to get the preferred link when it comes out. And they partner with OHub, as we just went over. All right, they will be building more tiny house communities or micro house communities in the future in Atlanta. This is their first one. So you can submit your offer here. Let's take a look at the pricing, okay? So they have 3 models. Let me just scroll down for a second here. Okay, so let's go back up to look at each model and the pricing. So the first one, Model Kai, is a 1-bedroom, 1-bath, 385 square feet, starting at $179,900. Okay, so of course this is more expensive than your typical tiny home, but this does come with a lot of different amenities that you can explore. OHub offers homes that will be tech homes. They have upskilling for coding, tech jobs, cryptocurrency training. All of this is in their additional package. So this is going to be a very unique setting and unique community. All right, the next one is Model Watson, 1-bedroom, 1-bath, 475 square feet, starting at $199,900. So yes, again, looks like the pictures are the same for all of these. I was just checking, but I love these photos. I think they did a very good job on the renderings here, but again, a little bit higher than your typical tiny house. And then Model Valentina, 1-bedroom, 1 loft with 1 bath. All right, and this one is 685 square feet, starting at $219,000. So yeah, these are the 3 models that they're offering. And again, there are only 29 lots, so you want to get in there early. I was told there was already a very long waiting list, over close to 350 or 400. So, but that's okay. Not everyone is going to be able to move forward with their purchase, so you might as well get on the waiting list if you're interested at all, okay? But again, they will be building more communities in the future. However, this is the initial one, and I love it.